Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Today I'm doing a fun little video. I'm gonna be playing with makeup today. I haven't played with makeup in like a really long time because what is the point? But today I wanted to hop on the trend. I don't know if I'm late. I probably am really late. I'm always just so late with this stuff. I wanted to try the Euphoria makeup where you have like the jewels on your face and all that stuff. I have some inspo, I have some jewels. I don't know how good this is gonna turn out, but I thought might as well do it on camera to document the moment. Look, I bought all of these jewels on Amazon. I'm really excited to use them. Obviously, I think I'm just gonna use the clear ones today because that looks like the look that I'm going for. Get into it. I am not that great at makeup, but I feel like if I really take my time, I might do okay. I want to take pictures in it, obviously. Go follow all my socials on the screen and down below, and make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I have some fun videos coming up. Let's get into it. This is the inspo pic I'm going off of. I'm gonna put it right here, but we're doing like a pink like liner. Hopefully this works out. I'm using this palette, the Morphe Talkin' Flirty 18F palette. Okay, I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I think I'm gonna conceal my eyeball, you know? So my eyelids are very veiny, I guess is the word. We're doing the eyes first because if I mess up, I want to be able to like take it off and not take off my whole makeup. And also at the end of the video, I'm gonna get a D's reaction to it, so stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm thinking we start with like a little neutral shade in the crease. I feel like that's what people do. Also, I'm gonna be talking to you guys throughout the video just to like update with you with my life. Even though I've been vlogging a lot lately, I still want to update you guys. I got a new camera. I'm very happy about it. I was gonna buy it for myself, but D surprised me with it for a video, DM fam video coming up. He surprised me with a bunch of things, so sweet of him to do. But now we have an upgraded camera, and then I bought a mic and I'm so happy about it. The quality is gonna be upgraded. Okay, I don't really know where I'm going with this. I think I'm gonna just do like a purple now. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging it. Hopefully it turns out good, because fun fact, actually really sad fact, if you get the joke. I've never seen Euphoria, so okay, I'm just gonna stop what I'm doing there and just go with the pink. So I'm gonna do like a lighter pink, and then I'm gonna go darker, so I'm gonna do this like baby pink right here. Are you guys excited for Halloween? Or like people dressing up? Like, are you guys dressing up for Halloween? I don't know if like I should or shouldn't. Like, I'm just gonna be staying in, you know? And like watching a scary movie maybe. I'm really unsure what I'm doing, but if you guys are dressing up, then let me know what you're dressing as, because I'm not really sure what to dress as. I normally am like so ready, so prepared, I guess, because I always have like plans and like things to do, but I don't really have any plans, so I'm honestly just like layering different pinks. I have to like film in my room and not the bathroom because the light in my bathroom is very loud, like it's like a fan. Okay, now it looks like it gets darker towards the edges, so I'm gonna do like a darker maroon color, this color right there, very gently in the corner. I need better brushes. Like, my brushes are so bad. I feel like I would like Euphoria because of like the makeup and the fashion. Okay, now we're gonna like do the liner. I'm actually gonna clean this up a little bit because it's looking messy. Okay, cleaning this up. I don't know like why I don't just use a makeup wipe. Hold on, grab a makeup wipe. Got a makeup wipe, guys. I don't really use makeup wipes anymore because it's not the best for your skin. That was way better. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I feel like this is like a free-for-all. Like, I just wanted to play with makeup, and I guess this is an excuse. Okay, so I'm gonna like mix these two darker shades at the end. I have to focus, guys. Shh, don't say anything. Not bad. Okay, I look crazy because I'm not wearing face makeup. Like, please don't like judge me, but that is not bad if you ask me. Honestly, it's not bad. Like what? Doesn't look that bad. Like, I'm just gonna put it out there. The hard part is like the jewels. What I think I'm gonna do is do my full face of makeup first, and then I'm gonna come in and then do like the under eye part and the jewels. I'm just cleaning my brushes over here. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do my full face because I don't think you guys care to see my everyday makeup routine. Unless you do, then I'll do a whole video. I feel like I've done it before and like not really much has changed. So I'll be right back. I'm back with my full face on except like my lips, a mascara, and I'm going to finish this look. We have the jewels. So we're gonna use the big ones. Okay, we're gonna just do one under the eyebrow first. Okay, perfect. That might be a little big. I'll do a big one above the eyebrow right there. Wow, we're really up close and personal today. If these fall off, I'm so gonna be pissed. Does it look okay? It looks like kind of weird to me. I think that looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, am I getting somewhere? Like, should I be a euphoria makeup artist? Try this look and do it better than me, please, because like I know I don't do it good, and then send it to me so I can applaud you for your talents. Okay, how does it look? I just know it looks so bad. Like, please don't judge me. Like, I know. Now we're on mascara. This is mascara that I talked about in my last vlog, so go watch it if you didn't. Should I do freckles? Kind of down. No, yeah, that did nothing. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime a D and get his reaction to my makeup look after I put on lipstick. Okay, we're calling a D now. I'm screen recording and we're gonna get his reaction to my makeup.
Wow!
What do you think of my makeup
You look
look?
like a galactic princess, babe.
A galactic princess.
I love it. I love it.
Should I wear it today?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, really? You actually think I look like I did it good?
Is it supposed to look bad?
No, but like I don't think I did that good.
Babe, it looks great. I was gonna say, like, you should hit me up with your business makeup.
Oh, okay.
Gang.
Okay, so you like it. You approve.
I'm making breakfast.
What you chefing up?
You wanna see?
Yeah. Ooh.
3 eggs, a little bit of cheese, paprika.
Okay, babe, I'll call you after.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you most.
Love you, Moses. Bye. So he liked it. That's cool. My boyfriend approved of my euphoria makeup. I hope you guys like it. I really tried. Should I do like the pigtails? I only have one hair tie. That's really unfortunate. Euphoria. Cast me in your next season. Okay, guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed this. If this video gets, let's see, 10,000 likes, I will do this makeup on a D. So like it up. Get this video. Even if it doesn't, I think I might still do it. But like this video. And follow my Instagram if you haven't already, and all my socials linked down below. Also subscribe for more videos because we've been posting hella consistent on here, guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video.